Okay. Oh, that's embarrassing. I didn't know I was recording. Just eating spaghetti.
Okay.
Let's see.
Can you see me at all?
Uh,
Gosh, it's so loud. Oh, I thought it wasn't working. I was like, oh.
There we go. There you are.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Well, that was weird what just happened, but let's keep moving on. Let's go to the word problems in question the number 2, all right?
Okay.
And you said you struggled with those?
I'm so bad at word problems.
No, you're good.
It's so hard.
So the first one, let's do some screen sharing. Hat. I'll work down here on the bigger font.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, can you see that okay? You see where I'm working?
Yeah, it's yeah. Oh.
Okay. So the word problem, you got $5,000 and you want to see where it's going to be at. What can I think? With an interest rate 0.5 or 5.6, compounded continuously and quarterly, right? So to find the quarterly, you go ahead and you take 5,000 and you do 5 or 0.056 divided by 4 because it's quarterly, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you add 1 to that. So let's see. So 0.056 divided by 4 is 0.014. Is that even correct? I think it is. Okay. And so that leaves you with 1.014, right?
Yeah.
And then up here, you have to raise it to n times t. We know the number of years it says 10 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the n is 4 because it's quarterly. N times 4 is 40. So you get the 1.014 raised to the 40, and you come out with 1.74, that big old number, and then you times it by 5,000, and you end up with 8,719.43. Did you catch all that?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. I can go back.
Okay.
And then if you want to find it continuously, it's a little bit different equation. You do, let's see, what's the equation? I have it right here. You see that equation right there?
A equals P R T.
So all you do is you take E, which equals like 2.718 if you get it on your calculator. And then you raise it to the power of the rate in time. So the rate is 0.056 times 10, right? So it's 0.56. So E raised to the power of 0.56 equals about 1.75, right? So E times 0.056 to the times 10 equals E 56 equals 1.75, and then you times that by 5,000, and that equals 8,753.36. Is that what you got?
Hold on. Let me. Oh, I was like, it just went dark. Oh.
Oh, sorry. I stopped screen sharing. My bad.
That's okay. Yeah, that's what I got.
Sweet. Okay. And so let's move on to number 3 because I am struggling with
Okay.
that one. Let's see, sorry. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. So assume a loaf of bread is $6, right? With continuous compounding, find the time it would take to cost to triple at an annual inflation rate of 5%.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong, like 3-3. I was like, no loaves of bread found here. Okay, I see that now.
Okay. So the loaf of bread needs to triple, right? So tripling $6 worth of bread would make it 18, right?
Yeah.
So divide the 6 into 18, so that's 3. And then I know the equation would make you find 3, whatever that thing is. What do you call that? The little ln sign thing?
Is that, I don't remember what that's called.
Well, either way, if you find 3n, that's equal to 1.0986.
Okay.
And then you have to divide it by the rate, which is 0.05, right?
Yeah. Oh, which equals 21 point.
Yep. 0.97. Simple enough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then question number 4. Benjamin Franklin gave Boston a gift of about $4,400. So I just did pretty much the same thing. If you take 2 million, if you take the 2 million,
Yeah,
and divide it by 400. Oh, what? 400. 2 million
400.
divided by 4,400 equals 454.54.
5. Wouldn't it be 5.5?
Oh yeah, 5.5. Well, actually, technically, you're not even supposed to round until the very end. So I usually just got a few like that.
Yeah.
And then where I might be like a little bit lost, and I did get the right answer this time, but I might not be 100% correct, is if you take the ln of 454.5454, whatever, you end up with 6.119. And if you divide it by 200, then you'll get 3.0305. So it's right on the fringe, but it gave me the correct answer.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's that. Did you have any idea how to do any of the questions on number 3?
It just kind of looks like it's a guided question.
Gotcha.
Like a fill in the blank kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Using. What are the rules? Are you still? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. I thought you were like gone again. I was like, oh no, oh no.
Not again. So yeah, I don't understand what they're going for in question 3. Did you know how to solve? Never mind. And then 4 is just on the answer key, so I think we're good.
Yeah, I don't think it's trying to be like a guided thing, but I'm not sure what the rules were
Oh, you're cutting
that they're
out.
talking
You're cutting out.
because it can't be the exponential rules, can it? Maybe they're from last week and I missed it.
I have no idea. Did you get graded on the group quiz? Did you talk to the teacher and say that you missed out because of your phone?
Wasn't the group quiz either group?
I didn't catch any of that.
I said, wasn't the quiz from last week either a group or individual?
It was just group.
Oh, what did I do?
You missed it. I turned it in on Thursday. But you missed
either group or individual.
It was individual?
You could do either one.
Oh. Well, you turned something in. That's good. You'll probably get credit for it still.
I turned something in. I just missed the group thing with the talk, but
nice. Well, you're good. Sweet. Well, we'll call that a meeting.
all right.
I'll see you next Thursday.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. You're cutting out. I can't even hear you.
I
But
can't. It's
I'll
like
see you
really
on.
cold here too, so it's all weird.
You're all good. I'll just see you on Thursday.
Okay. Bye.